This is the Lace Full Support Demiette. It comes in sizes 32 through 46 and fits bands 28 through 46 or 48. It's really best on cup sizes that are B through probably P. It fits all sorts of sizes. And A cups with petals will work in this one as well. As you can see, there's a gorgeous scalloped V neckline, a nice deep V. And then there's beautiful soft lace around the band area, all the way around to the back there. This is the back of the Lace Full Support Demiette. As you can see, that gorgeous lace goes all the way around the back, and it's got a nice deep scoop. The straps are nice and wide for the fuller support, and they have a good long adjustment. They can go quite long. This is not a convertible strap, so it will stay in this style right here. This is the inside of the Lace Full Support Demiette. As you can see, there's molded cups, so your girls know where to go. There's no uniboob in this one. There's a nice deep scalloped V-neck that you saw before, and that highly compressed fabric here gives you some fantastic lift and support without any underwires. And of course, our patented silicone surgical grade gripper around the bottom of the front and the back so that it keeps it nice and secure in place. And this is the inside of the back of the Lace Full Support Demiette. As you can see, it's got that nice easy scoop along the top. The straps are nice and thick for a fuller support. And then if you look close, you'll see the added paneling all along the back here to give that extra structure and distribute the weight of the bust line and give that really wonderful support. And then of course, across the bottom, our patented surgical grade silicone gripper.